Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm going to talk about how you can start your YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is very easy. You only need a go ahead. You need to release your conscience and start a YouTube channel. Yes, when starting a YouTube channel, I know there is a lot of expectation that you expect. Don't worry if you start your YouTube channel with low views. It is not a problem. You just need to be consistent and to keep going. Every step, every journey always has a beginning. Okay, so you need to put effort when starting your YouTube channel. First, when you start a YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. Yes, YouTube is for Google, so you must have a Gmail account. Then you log in. After logging in, you create channel. By creating channel, you allow or you agree to the YouTube terms and condition. After creating your channel, then you start posting video. You don't just post video, you must have a niche. Also, some people say that it is not good to niche down when you're starting a YouTube channel. You just post random videos. After posting random videos, it's when you will either of the video, the one that will go viral, it's the one that will start to niche with it. Also, when starting a YouTube channel, you must also consider the payment. You know, every niche have different payment amounts, or the rate at which the advertisers are willing to pay at that particular niche when the advertisement passes through your videos. Yes, another thing, when you start your YouTube channel, don't start by posting shorts. Shorts will destroy your channel. Even though shorts will go viral and it will bring in subscribers, but those subscribers who will subscribe to your YouTube channel through shorts will not watch your long form videos. And you know, long form videos are the one that pays more when it comes to YouTube revenue. So don't start your YouTube channel with shorts. Just start your YouTube channel with long form videos, at least 3 minutes and above. Yes, you are good to go. Okay, after you have niched down, after you have posted your videos, be consistent when doing your videos, because it is the beginning. You need to catch up the attention of people. You need to have audience. Post like at least every day. Yeah, just for the beginning, post at least for every day. That will do you good. It will do you very much, and people will get used to your content and they will be yearning to see it. And then after that, pray to God so that God will favor your channel. My dear, here in YouTube it is not easy. Truly, it is not easy. It is not like Facebook. Myself, in Facebook, I have like 100,000 followers. Trust me, all organic, but I believe that God will open my doors here in YouTube. I'd also have such subscribers or followers. If you love videos like these ones about YouTube channel, about how to make money, about how to grow your social media account, consider subscribing. I'll be bringing raw videos exclusive for you.